Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an Amazon locker address to your account. This is incredibly useful if you want your packages delivered to a secure pickup location instead of your home, especially when you're not around to receive them. Amazon lockers are a great option if you're concerned about missed deliveries or package theft, and they also give you the flexibility to pick up your orders whenever it's convenient during the location's operating hours. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're signing into the account you'll be using to place future Amazon orders so the locker address is saved correctly. After logging in, you'll be on the Amazon homepage where we can start adding your locker location. Now move your mouse over to the top right corner where it says Account and Lists. Hover over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything related to your Amazon account, including your payment methods, security settings, and delivery preferences. On the account page, look for the option that says Your Addresses and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores all your saved delivery locations, and it's also where we'll be adding the locker address. If you've previously saved home or work addresses, you'll see them listed here as well. Once you're in the Addresses section, you'll see an Add Address button. Click on that to begin adding a new location. This will open up a form where you can enter address details. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of filling out the regular address fields, look at the top of this form. You'll notice an option that says, or find an Amazon pickup location near you. Click on this option. This switches the form to help you locate nearby Amazon lockers or pickup points instead of entering a standard home address, making the process much faster than entering a locker address manually. You'll now see a search bar appear. In this search bar, you can type your address, zip code, or even a nearby landmark to find lockers in your area. Using a nearby shopping center, grocery store, or transit station can also help you find a convenient pickup location. Go ahead and enter your preferred search term, then press enter. Amazon will now search for all available pickup locations near the area you specified. Depending on your location, you may see several locker locations or pickup counters to choose from. The page will refresh and show you a list of results with various Amazon lockers and pickup locations in your vicinity. Browse through these options and select the one that works best for you based on convenience and proximity. It's also a good idea to consider the available pickup hours, especially if you plan to collect your packages after work or on weekends. After selecting your preferred location, you'll see more details appear in the left panel about that specific locker, including its exact address and available hours. Take a moment to verify that it's easy for you to access before continuing. Once you've confirmed this is the location you want, click the Add to Address Book button in that left panel. This saves the locker address directly to your account, making it available as a delivery option for all future orders. The next time you're checking out an eligible item, you'll be able to select this Amazon locker as your shipping destination without having to search for it again. And that's it! You've successfully added an Amazon locker address to your account, giving you a convenient and secure alternative for receiving your packages. Whether you're away from home frequently, live in an apartment building, or simply want a safer delivery option, Amazon lockers can make receiving your orders much more convenient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.